if you can share with me the right arm, I'm going to have you do this arm first. You're right. So this one you can touch easily.
I can touch easy.
No pain.
No pain.
Okay. And let's put that arm down. Now this side, you kind of brought it out more this way. So what if you turn this arm more out? Now go up again.
No. That's it.
That's it?
That's it.
Okay. Down again. And then let's do 45.
Okay.
Up again. Okay. Down. And then forward. And up. Okay. And tilt a little bit this way. Let's see. Can you... you're not even touching your shoulder there.
No.
Okay. And this side, you can do it in all directions, right?
Yes.
Everything is good.
Everything is good. That way. That way.
Okay. Okay, wonderful. Okay, Hester, so we just finished doing the treatment on your left arm. Now I'm going to have you do your right hand first and do what you did before. So we're going to go up, up, up. Okay. So you can touch easily there. Okay. Now let's do your other arm. Okay. Do the same thing. How much can you go up? Look at that.
Wow.
Look at that.
It's almost there.
Oh my gosh.
I don't feel the pullness over here. Feels great.
Awesome.
Wow.
Do that again. Look at that. You can almost touch it. You're like 2 inches from it. Okay, let's do...
And it feels great.
Yeah. Okay, let's do 45 degrees. And up. Oh, almost.
Almost.
About an inch. Another inch. Okay. And then straight ahead. And back up. Almost. Like I'm almost an inch too. Turn it, bring it back this way a little bit. Okay. Forward again. That's great. That's great. That's a lot larger range of motion than you had earlier.
Yes.
That's wonderful.
There's no pain in the 3 fingers.
Okay. So you have better sensation there.
I have better, yeah.
So there's no numbness, right? Is it less stiff?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
And the arm, you're putting it up and down a little bit.
It's less stiff. Yes. A lot much. Oh my gosh. What a difference.
Yeah. Because before you could barely put it up earlier.
I know.
Yeah.
But now it's almost there.
Yeah.
Wow.
That's awesome. Wonderful. Okay. So we'll see you back on your next visit.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.